Slight right. Slight right, then make a U-turn.
Hey guys, it's Tuesday morning. I think 7 a.m. plus. We just woke up. We spent the night here at the car park. Hey guys, so we are fully loaded up. Let me show you the boats. The TrueKit 3.3, Navigator 3.0, Navigator 3.5 and one highball. So 4 boats going up. So the guys are just packing up. We'll be off soon. Okay guys, we are about to set off. Ready guys? We're gonna, it's now about I think 9 a.m. So we're gonna set off now. Okay guys, we are planning on the way. Okay guys, we are waiting for YB. As usual, he's lost. Okay, we are in the middle of the lake here.
Nick,
Yes.
Nick, can you come to me? Habis Cergau.
Can hear the panic in your voice, bro.
Mana YB yo?
Panic but come.
Give him waypoint already, but tapi don't know where he go.
Why? Hey, Nick, how is your styrofoam box?
Okay guys, what time is it? 12 ah?
1:25.
1:25 p.m. It's damn hot. We just landed at one of the islands, so we're gonna explore if we can camp here. I think we call this Lumut. Don't know the real name. We'll see. Okay guys, we found a campsite. It was actually the earlier one we found. This is called, I don't know what, maybe Camp Double or something. We'll figure out later. Let me show you the camp.
KCPN 11.
Yeah, near KCPN 11, which is our own waypoint. Nobody will know where it is anyway. Okay, let me show you. So this is the landing area. Again, we are on actually a peninsula. The water is surrounding. Show you. YB is unloading here. YB very light this trip. And Colin is boat.
Mana? Gambar.
Okay. Alright, this is gonna be our main campsite. It doesn't look like anything now, but we'll make it home for the next 4 nights. And Colin is setting up a time lapse. Some oranges for tea. We're set up. Some people are taking a nap. Okay, it's very windy now. I think about 5 o'clock. At least it's cooling. I think we might be expecting some rain. Let me give you a tour of the campsite. This is Zaf's tent. That's my tent there. This is Colin and Kevin. And this side is YB. So we are on a peninsula. YB preparing satay for us tonight. Now it's nice and windy and cooling. I think I showed this before in our one of my older videos, but this is how we get water to drink. The Sawyer gravity filter, and then we collect the filtered water in this container. Now obviously we get the water from the lake beside us.
DJ ni.
Mau taruh coklat dah tadi ya?
Ha?
Datung.
Kena cepat lah.
Datung tapi still not.
Okay.
Berapa minit maaf.
Adi Samuri, satu paket tertinggal kat rumah.
Bukan tertinggal rumah.
Oh, bukan aku punya.
Aku minta kau cakap okey lah kan. Niat baik tu okey
niat
lah.
tu baik. Jangan,
itu
Budi
dapat
jangan
point.
Budi jangan lupa bro.
Itu dapat point.
Dapat point.
Dapat point gila kau.
This is my lunch. Grilled chicken with shrimp. Ada apa?
Nice campsite lah.
Ha? Hey. Okay guys, today is day 2 or 3, I don't remember. We just moved to a new campsite. This is a much nicer area. So you can see the water. Yeah, all here. And then you can see the water elephants there in the water. Badak air, I think they call it. And then this is where we park our boats. And this is our new campsite. It's a common area. Colin's tent is here. I'll give you a short tour. Okay. This is YB's one bungalow. YB punya bungalow. Okay. This is my area. I haven't set up the tent because it rained just now. All the gear is here. And then
Mana tu orang?
Zaf area I haven't set up.
Apa ni?
And we are surrounded by jungle. Let me show you.
Ini subuh kan.
Oh, there you go. This tree is very tall. I don't think you can see it in the video. Got clear blue sky.
Siap dah.
Whoever want to eat first.
Tonight is what? Day 2 today? Is it day 2? Day 2 night. Barbecue for dinner.
So nice.
Okay, everybody don't move
Don't move.
In the selection here.
Orang
No,
gila
when you
dah
go
masuk
photo,
hutan dalam-dalam main barbecue.
Don't have Bring.
Okay, for the video, we all did our
Use my phone lah.
COVID-19 test before
Use
we
my
come
phone.
for this trip.
Dah marinated kan ni? Tender.
Which one? The lamb? Oh yeah, it's nice. This one, I think Zafru recommended one since last trip, right? Or something.
Mana penjepit? Wow. Ini sudah masak kan? Ini sudah masak kan? Oh ya, sudah masak.
Morning guys, this is Thursday morning, our third day here. I want to show you where we take our shower. So this is the lake. This is where we take our shower, just next to the boats. And let me show you a bit more of the morning view.
important for us is their ringan.
So it's Thursday lunchtime. I'm making an egg pizza. There you go.
Tanya tu tanah dia biasa jual kan? Mana bagus tanya.
Ini Lok ada lesson untuk balak ah? Ada
Ini
lesson
macam nampak dari
buat
sana
pembalakan ah? Dia pergi pembalakan ah?
Kita tidak menggalakkan pembalakan.
Ini rakyat derma punya. Bukan saya potong.
This one, I remember he bring the big one, potong tengah the what the Kenyir.
Ah.
Oh, Tiang Seri. Wah, I see the Tiang Seri banyak shop korek kubang.
Dia keluar kejap balik. Oi, yang serius.
Don't really slowly. I think now you should have one.
Like drizzle now ah?
Oh, went on until there, then take back the balak.
Saving my steak for dinner. This is a ribeye steak for dinner.
This is the area behind our campsite. We can hear wildlife. So last night we heard some trees falling here, this area here. After the second tree fell, we started throwing some merchant bola just in case it's the big guy.
Just having my lunch now. The guys are going out for some exploration, I think. Okay, the guys are out exploring, so I'm going out to find them. So I'm bringing you with me with the Insta360. Let's see. Apa? I found some water animals, water creatures. I show you. Still got sound there.
Yeah, but very deep. You can fall down from that tree.
Huh?
You fall down from that tree. Yeah, now so. Fall down.
Is it?
Yeah. It still got sound,
Still got sound. Some big thing fell down there with the trees just now, so we're waiting.
I tied it up airtight, but I don't know how water can leak out the water. The ice.
Okay guys, it's Saturday. I don't know what time it is, maybe about 10 plus or so. We're packing up to go home after 5 days and 4 nights in the jungle.
What? Fine.